Hi, my name is Michele Samorani, and I am the director of the MSIS program at Santa Clara University. I am also the course coordinator of data analytics with Python. In this course, we teach students how to manipulate data very efficiently using state-of-the-art techniques in Python and prepare data for machine learning, for example, or uncover interesting insights. Let me give you a very short example. Suppose that you want to predict no-shows in appointment scheduling. Here we have a couple of patients as an example, patient 1 and patient 2. Each row here represents an appointment. For example, patient 2 on this day, they went to see a certain team and they did not show up. See, this column is our dependent variable no-show. Using machine learning, we can predict the performance of the prediction on no-shows. I'm not going to go into details of that, but let's say that the performance is an area under the curve of 73.56%. Using the techniques in this class, we can enrich this data so that it makes the prediction easier and will increase the performance. For example, given this data, we can easily add information on past appointments. For example, we can add a column essentially right here that contains for every appointment how many previous appointments the same patient had, before that focal appointment. That's done in one simple line of code, which is this one. The data set becomes like this. It has a column past appointments. So for example, patient 1 in their third appointment, this column is 2 because it means that they had 2 appointments prior to that day. And of course, it starts from 0 for patient 2 again, and so on for every patient. Just FYI, this data set is 15,000 rows, so there are many patients in there. So by adding this column, let's see if we can increase a little bit the prediction performance. No, it's sort of the same. However, we can add another column. It's a little more complicated, but this other column is the previous no-shows. So I want to add a column that has for every appointment how many no-shows the same patient had prior to that appointment. And this is how the data looks like. So for example, at this appointment right here, patient 1, this is the third appointment, they had 2 previous appointments, and they also had 1 previous no-show, because the previous appointment it was a no-show. So this will be a 1 from now on for that patient. And patient 2 here, patient 2 had 2 no-shows at some point, so the later appointments will have a 2 right here in the last column, because they have 2 no-shows prior to that appointment. And it's easy to see that the performance increases, because of course, guess what? Your past no-shows are a great predictor for future no-shows. So this is just a little example on how to use these techniques to add data, manipulate data very fast, very quickly with a script and we're going to see that you can do tasks that are not easily done in other software like Excel, for example. Okay, looking forward to having you in my class.